Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to write an essay on advantages and disadvantages of internet. Shall we start? Let's begin. Internet has advantages and also disadvantages, which are: internet is a big source of knowledge. If the user wants to get the knowledge about anything, just clicking a button he can get it. If you study a book, you can get knowledge of only a specific subject, but if you click a button of computer, you can get knowledge of any subject. Internet help in quick exchange of news and current affairs. Internet has made the world trade so fast. Internet relates people of different parts of the world can be connected through internet. Through internet, people including children can be trained for a particular field or profession, so it is a source of training. Internet work as a media of publicity and advertising agency. Demerits of internet. Students waste their precious time on useless chatting and browsing on websites and internet, which is nothing but wastage of time. Immoral materials and talks on internet badly affect the minds of immature boys and girls. They destroy their ethic and morality. Besides glamour, fashion, immoral and violent films are also shown on internet, which leave bad impact upon the minds of young and immature boys and girls. Sitting long time before computer or laptops for browsing and chatting, the boys and girls get so involved that they forget their lunch and dinner and consequently lose their health. Computer and laptop produce rays which are harmful to eyes and skin.